Hey everybody, this is Michael and Adam with Woodlands Home Theater. We have just recently sold this JVC RS3000 to a customer, but he's asked us to unbox it, turn it on, test it out, and we're going to ship it to him on Monday. Here we go. So that's what you get in the box. You get the JVC RS3000 manual. Everybody downloads these nowadays. You have the JVC RS3000 remote. And over there is the power plug. Take the JVC RS3000, take it out of the box, look at it for a few minutes, describe what we've got, and that's it for today. Very nice. Take the plastic off, come around the back side of it. As you can see here, we've got a 3D emitter, 2 HDMIs, outputs, serial connector, a service connector or USB that's going to do your online or your firmware updates. You've got your Ethernet jack and your trigger if you want to use it. It's a beautiful projector. Coming around, and that's what this machine's all about, is the glass. And that's just your IR emitter there. And that's it. That's your JVC RS3000. Fantastic picture. We've got one in our demo room. If you're interested in one of these projectors, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you out. Thank you.